Ever dreamed of merging two distinct visions into one breathtakingly generated masterpiece? Today, we unlock that power in Midjourney. First, you'll need the image URLs for the elements you wish to combine. Think of these as the foundational building blocks of your new creation. In your Midjourney prompt, you'll start by pasting the URL of your primary image, followed by a space, and then the URL of your secondary image. After the image URLs, add a descriptive text phrase that guides Midjourney on how you envision these elements merging. For instance, if you're combining a lion with a galaxy, you might describe the lion with a galaxy as its mane or its eyes. Now, hit enter and let Midjourney work its magic. You'll get several initial variations. Examine these closely, looking for the composition that best captures your intended blend. Once you find a generation you love, it's time to upscale it for greater detail. Click the U button corresponding to your chosen image. And there you have it, a unique AI-generated artwork, born from the seamless fusion of two distinct images, all made possible through simple yet powerful prompting techniques and Midjourney's incredible capabilities. Experiment with different image combinations and descriptive words to push your creative boundaries.